Yahuah, Yahusha, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot. Tabernacle, we are. Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, Tabernacles, oh yeah. Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, Tabernacles, oh yeah, yeah.
All praises to the Most High. All praises to the Most High. All praises to the Most High. Oh, all praises to the Most High. Mo'adim, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot. All praises to the Most High. To the Most High. All praises to the Most High. All praises to the Most High. Oh, all praises to the Most High. 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 Oh, all praises to the Most High. Mo'adim, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot. All praises to the Most High. To the Most High. All praises to the Most High. All praises to the Most High. All praises to the Most High. Most High. Yeah. All praises to the Most High. Yeah. All praises to the Most High. Yeah. Praises to the Most High, yeah.
Appointed time, Moedim, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, set apart convocation, Kodesh gathering, Yahuah's feast, Feast of Booths, Feast of the King of the Rain, dwelling with the Most High, rejoicing before Yahuah.
Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, set apart convocation, Kodesh gathering, Yahuah's feast. The last great day, Feast of Booths, and gathering with the Most High, rejoicing before Yahuah, rejoicing before gathering, Yahuah's feast, the last great day, Feast of Booths, indwelling with the Most High, rejoicing before Yahuah, yeah, rejoicing before Yahuah. Rejoicing before Yahuah, rejoicing before Yahuah, rejoicing before Yahuah, rejoicing before Yahuah, rejoice before Yahuah, rejoice before Yahuah, rejoice before Yahuah, for Yahuah. Set apart convocation, Kodesh gathering, Kodesh gathering, Yahuah's feast, the last great day, Feast of Booths, and gathering in the Most High, rejoicing before Yahuah, rejoicing before Yahuah, rejoicing before Yahuah, rejoicing before Yahuah, yeah, rejoicing before Yahuah, for Yahuah. Set apart convocation, Kodesh gathering, the last great day, Feast of Booths, and gathering with the Most High.
Rejoice, rejoice, appointed time, Moedim, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, set apart convocation, Kodesh gathering, Yahuah's feast, Feast of Booths, Feast of Gathering, dwelling with the Most High, rejoicing before Yahuah. Rejoice, appointed time, Moedim, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, set apart convocation, Kodesh gathering, Yahuah's feast, Feast of Booths, Feast of Gathering, dwelling with the Most High, rejoicing before Yahuah. Yahuah.
Yahuah, Yahushua, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, tabernacle with Yah. Yahushua, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, tabernacling with Yah. Yahushua, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, tabernacling with Yah, Yahushua, Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, tabernacling with Yah. Tabernacle with Yah. Yahuah. Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot.
Toda Robah, praise Abba Yah, from whom all baraka flow. We hope this video encouraged you today. Don't forget to study to show yourself approved and be like the Bereans who tested everything, according to 2 Timothy 3:15 and Acts 17:11. We assemble every Shabbat and during the week with like-minded believers all over the world, virtually, and sometimes we gather in person for feast days. We have something for the whole family, including children. Discover more on our website at assemblyofyahuah.com, where you can apply to join, give the biblical assembly needs, and find many biblical resources to help you grow in your walk with Yah. To know when we publish new videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Jeremiah 33:3 tells us, "Call to Yahuwah, and he will answer you, and tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know." Much shalom.